Imagine waking up to the soft lapping of water against the shore, the chirping of birds in the distance, and the mesmerizing view of Lake Como. Picture a place where deep blue waters meet the sky, framed by the majestic alpine mountains. This is Lake Como, an enchanting jewel nestled in the heart of Italy. This lake, with its mirror-like surface, has an allure that has fascinated many for centuries. It's not just about the water, though. The surrounding landscapes paint a picture that's nothing short of a masterpiece. Dotted along the shores are picturesque Italian towns, each with its unique charm and character. Lake Como's rich history is as captivating as its beauty. It has served as a muse for artists, a retreat for celebrities, and a sanctuary for those seeking tranquility. It's a place where time seems to pause, allowing you to soak in the serene beauty that surrounds you. In the heart of Italy, Lake Como offers a slice of paradise that is simply irresistible. A day at Lake Como promises an adventure filled with breathtaking sights, delicious Italian cuisine, and a taste of the local culture. Imagine starting your day with a serene boat ride on the glassy waters of the lake, the morning mist gently lifting to reveal the majestic mountains that cradle Lake Como. The crisp air, filled with the fragrance of blooming flowers, invigorates your senses as you marvel at the scenic beauty around you. Your journey continues with a visit to the historic villas and gardens that dot the lake's shore. These architectural marvels, steeped in centuries of history, are a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the region. Walking through these lush gardens, you feel a sense of tranquility and timelessness. As noon approaches, your appetite is whetted by the tantalizing aroma of Italian cuisine. Lunching at a local restaurant, you savor the flavors of freshly made pasta, creamy risotto, and other local delicacies, each bite a culinary delight. The afternoon is perfect for exploring the bustling local markets. Amidst the colorful stalls, you find a treasure trove of local crafts, from exquisite ceramic ware to hand-woven textiles. And what better way to conclude your market visit than with a refreshing gelato in hand, strolling along the lake and enjoying the rhythmic lullaby of its gentle waves. As the sun sets, Lake Como transforms into a magical landscape, with the warm glow of lights reflecting on the calm waters. This is the end of a day at Lake Como, a day filled with memorable moments and enchanting experiences. Lake Como is home to some of the most beautiful and historic villas and gardens in Italy. This captivating region is adorned with majestic estates that tell tales of a bygone era, each wrapped in the embrace of nature's grandeur. One such gem is Villa Carlotta, a lavish 18th century mansion steeped in history. The villa is an architectural marvel, with its intricate frescoes and sculptures, each inch a testament to the craftsmanship of the time. But it's the surrounding botanical garden that truly steals the show. Over 20 acres of vibrant flowers, exotic plants, and ancient trees weave a tapestry of colors that change with every season. Not too far from Villa Carlotta, perched on the tip of a lush peninsula, lies Villa del Balbianello. This enchanting villa is renowned for its terraced gardens that seem to cascade into the shimmering waters of Lake Como. The villa itself is a treasure trove of art and artifacts, from the 18th century French and English furniture to the fascinating collection of world exploration memorabilia. Our journey through Lake Como's historic villas would be incomplete without a visit to Villa Melzi. Nestled in the town of Bellagio, this neoclassical villa is a picture of elegance. The villa's sprawling gardens are a feast for the senses, with rare and exotic plants, serene ponds, and Japanese-inspired sculptures. The garden is also home to an orangery, a charming chapel, and a small museum housing precious artifacts. These villas, with their timeless charm and grandeur, are not just architectural marvels. They are living, breathing entities that have witnessed centuries of history unfold. Each room, each garden, is a chapter in the story of Lake Como, narrating tales of illustrious visitors, opulent parties, and tranquil afternoons by the lake. The villas of Lake Como are more than just beautiful buildings. They are portals into the past, inviting us to take a step back in time and immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of Italian history and culture. These villas are not just buildings, but a testament to Lake Como's rich history and culture. No trip to Lake Como is complete without indulging in the delicious local cuisine. As we delve into the gastronomic delights of this region, let's start with a signature dish, the risotto con pesto persico. This is no ordinary risotto, my friends. It's a flavorful concoction that pairs creamy arborio rice with the delicate fresh perch fish found in the depths of Lake Como. The result is a beautiful symphony of taste and texture that captures the essence of the lake itself. Next on our culinary journey is 𝐵𝐶𝐘𝐒. Originating from the neighboring Valtellina region, this hearty pasta dish is perfect for those chilly days by the lake. 𝐵𝐶𝐘𝐒 is a buckwheat pasta, tossed with potatoes, cabbage or Swiss chard, and layers of oozy melted cheese. It's all lovingly coated in a garlic and sage-infused butter, creating a rustic and warming dish that's a true comfort food. And then we have misultan, a dish that truly embodies the lake's tradition. These are small sun-dried fish, typically caught in Lake Como, that are then grilled and served with polenta. Misultan is a testament to the region's innovative approach to utilizing local resources. Its unique flavor profile, with a smoky hint and a slightly crunchy texture, is a must-try for any adventurous foodie. But it's not just about the dishes. The local cuisine is steeped in a rich culinary tradition that has been passed down through generations. It's a celebration of local produce, the lake's bounty, and age-old techniques. It's about the Italian love for food and the joy of sharing it with others, be it a simple family dinner or a grand feast. So whether you're a seasoned gourmand or a curious traveler with a penchant for trying new things, the local cuisine of Lake Como offers a feast for your senses. Each dish tells a story of the lake, its people, and their passion for food. When in Lake Como, one must eat as the locals do, savoring every bite of the delicious Italian cuisine. Lake Como is more than just a lake. It's a sensory experience that leaves you longing for more. As we wrap up our virtual tour, let's take a moment to feast on the memory of the mesmerizing beauty of this northern Italian paradise. Picture this: a day at Lake Como where the sun casts a golden hue on the tranquil waters and the surrounding mountains form a picture-perfect backdrop. The lake, with its unique upside-down Y shape, stretches out in all its majesty, offering countless vistas to marvel at. Each turn on the serpentine roads reveals a new spectacle, a different facet of the lake's enchanting personality. As we journeyed through the historic villas and gardens, we could almost hear the whispers of bygone eras. The grandeur of the villas, with their ornate architecture and intricate designs, took us back in time. The gardens, a symphony of colors and fragrances, were a testament to the artistry and love poured into their creation. Each villa and garden told a tale of its own, painting a vivid picture of Lake Como's rich heritage. And who can forget the local cuisine? The tantalizing flavors of the dishes, deeply rooted in the region's traditions, were a delight to the palate. Whether it was the creamy risotto, the zesty ossobuco, or the sweet sprissolona, each dish was a culinary journey, a delicious celebration of Lake Como's gastronomic culture. But Lake Como is not just about the sights, the history, or the food. It's about the experiences, the warmth of the locals, the charm of the quaint towns, the rhythm of the traditional music, the joy of the festivals, the thrill of the boat rides, the serenity of the nature walks. These are the threads that weave the magical tapestry of Lake Como. So if you've been dreaming of a destination that offers more than just beautiful landscapes, Lake Como is the place for you. It's a place that invites you to immerse yourself in its culture, to taste its flavors, to listen to its stories, to feel its pulse, and to experience its magic. Lake Como, with its stunning landscapes and rich culture, truly is a paradise on earth. It's not just a place you visit, it's a place you experience.